Do you really know what's in your gut? You've probably heard about gut microbiota. There's a whole world of microorganisms in your gut and other parts of your body too. The skin, mouth, lungs, and vagina also each have their own communities. The human microbiota includes over 1,000 different species. The best known are bacteria, but they're not alone. We're still learning about the microbiota, and it turns out this ecosystem is much more diverse than we previously thought. We now know that everyone's gut is home to bacteria, yeast and other beneficial fungi, phages, and much more. These microorganisms coexist within each of us. Altogether, they are known as the microbiome, living in a symbiotic relationship with the human host, you. We are now learning much more about how our health is linked to this community of different microorganisms, known as the microbiome. Focusing on health from the gut means much more than good digestion. Each of us is unique, even on the inside. Our microbiome is one of a kind. At Gnosis by Lesaffre, we are dedicated to a better understanding of the gut to support healthier lives.